Imagine a serene RVing trip that suddenly turns into a stressful ordeal. Picture this: the open road ahead, the wind in your hair, and the anticipation of arriving at a brand new campsite. It's a day filled with the promise of adventure, the excitement of the unknown. You reach your destination, a sweet spot nestled amidst nature's grandeur, and the process of setting up your home away from home begins. The RV, your faithful companion, needs to be connected to the campsite's electrical hookup. It's a routine you've done countless times before, a simple task that usually takes just a few minutes. But today, something is different, something you can't quite put your finger on. The RV is plugged in, the system's checked, and yet there's a sense of unease that wasn't there before. The day progresses filled with the usual RVing activities, yet the undercurrent of worry never really leaves. As the sun begins to paint the sky with hues of orange and pink, you find yourself feeling more anxious than serene. Just as the sun began to set, something felt off. The tranquility was disrupted by a sudden, unexpected issue. Soon the calm was replaced by chaos. The RV's electrical system started to malfunction. It began innocuously enough. A flickering light here, a sputtering appliance there. It was easy to dismiss these as minor hiccups, quirks of the open road, the sort of thing you sign up for when you decide to make a home on wheels. But then, the circuit breakers began to trip. One by one they flipped off, plunging parts of the RV into darkness. The fridge stopped humming, the air conditioner wheezed to a halt, and even the trusty old radio fell silent. Now, this was no longer a minor inconvenience. It was a full-blown crisis. The confusion was overwhelming, the frustration palpable. Here I was in the middle of a supposed relaxing getaway, wrestling with a rogue electrical system. As I tried to troubleshoot, another jolt of realization hit me. The 12-volt systems, the lifeblood of the RV, were not functioning. No lights, no water pump, no fans. It was as if the heart of the RV had suddenly stopped beating. The confusion gave way to a sinking feeling, a gnawing dread that something was seriously amiss. I retraced my steps, mentally going over everything I had done since we arrived at the campsite, and then, like a bolt from the blue, it hit me. I remembered plugging the RV into the campsite's electrical hookup. I remembered the sense of satisfaction, the feeling of a job well done, but what I didn't recall was checking the voltage before plugging in. Could it be? Had I made such a basic yet catastrophic mistake? In the quiet of the night, it dawned upon me. I had overlooked a critical detail, the voltage of the electrical hookup. Instead of connecting to a standard 110-volt supply, I had, in all likelihood, plugged my home on wheels into a 220-volt connection. A simple mistake, but one with potentially dire consequences. As I grappled with the damage and costly repairs, a truth dawned on me. A simple surge protector could have saved me from this fiasco. It's an unspoken necessity for an RV, safeguarding its electrical system from unexpected voltage spikes. Its purpose? To withstand these surges, ensuring the RV's electrical circuits remain undamaged. Had I employed a surge protector, it would have identified the irregular voltage, ceasing the power immediately, preventing the ensuing chaos. The fallout, breakers tripping, 12-volt systems collapsing, all avoidable. The repair costs easily eclipsed the price of humble surge protector. A costly lesson indeed, but one that won't be forgotten. My zeal for RVing hasn't waned, but this served as a harsh wake-up call. A surge protector is not an accessory, rather a necessity. Thanks for joining us at Everything About RVing. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on all things RVing. Did you enjoy this video? Show us some love with a thumbs up and share it around. Keen for more RV tips, hacks, and stories? Click on the video recommendations on the screen. Wishing you safe travels and see you on the open road.